How to set an app battery usage to unrestricted, optimize, or restricted on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then we swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down and then tap on apps. And from the list of available apps, tap on an app that you would like to manage. Now scroll down and then tap on battery in the usage section. From here, you can choose unrestricted, optimized, or restricted. And that's it. So select one of the available options and then tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.